Now let's turn that on and see what happens. I turn it past that, and that's on. And see, it went on because I tried turning it on from before. Now I got this, and I can turn that off right here with the handheld unit. You see that? It's off. And I can turn the power on up there, and it's back on. Now this handheld unit will work until this gets shut off. Pretty cool, eh? This is going to save a ton of money when running this air conditioner. That way when somebody walks out the door, if they got the, they have to have the timer on no matter what to have this unit running. Lots of people will crank this up to 4 and then they walk out the door 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, and they forgot that they turned it all the way to 4. Well, if they're only going to need it for an hour, all they have to do is turn it to 1. You know what I mean? And then it will shut off. But if they forget and they turn it all the way on to 4 hours, at least it's only gonna, if they're only here for an hour and they take off, at least this unit's only gonna run for another 3 hours. It's not gonna run for another 8 hours, another 10 hours, or whatever.